compost bag with casing soil which has been delivered to us for study and demonstration purpose by our research and development collaborators, Zuari Foods and Farms, owned by Dr. Sangam Kurade, who is one of the foremost button mushroom cultivator in Goa, South India and the whole country. And for last 15 years or so, he has been continuously producing high quality button mushrooms, Agaricus bisporus. Now this compost bag which he has lifted from his factory at Bhatpal, Kankona and delivered to us, we are using it for studying and also teaching the students of mushroom biotechnology. 2 credit course which I have floated 2 years ago, and they would learn right here in our mycological laboratory of Goa University what is it that is associated with the biotechnology of button mushroom production, because we have a air conditioned lab here. When the mushroom were delivered on Monday, almost 2 days back, today is 10th of July, 3 days back, they were very small and the fruit bodies were maturing and enlarging. So we monitored their growth and development for last 2-3 days, and actually this is not the stage at which they are picked up, harvested and marketed. Actually they are mature by a day or two, and we have allowed them because our aim is basically to see, we will pick up some of these specimens and use them for tissue culture as well as producing some spore prints so that we can study their biology further. Now the beauty of these mushrooms is that you can see the congregation here, but unless we remove these, the small fruit bodies which are here, they will not develop further. Dr. Kurade has been extremely successful in standardization of the whole technique, and he has got lots of national and international experts who are associated with him and his entire enterprise. But here in this lab, it helps us to see how the biotechnology of mushroom in terms of light, aeration, moisture content, ventilation and all those aspects, how they are associated. For example, a little spray of water has caused a little bleach coloration here, indicating that the light's gentle spray of water is not actually very useful for the overall appearance of the mushroom, because they are very delicate and perishable type of specimens. Besides, this is an excellent demonstration of, this is a 50 kg bag, excellent demonstration of the mass transfer. Now, what he uses is a chicken manure and bagasse, that is the sugarcane waste from a sugar factory, and then that is mixed with later casing soil after autoclaving, pasteurization. He has a big pasteurization plant. And then it is filled and spawned, and after spawning there are different conditions under which the spawner is to be maintained, and then after that the pinning begins and then fruit bodies appear. So in this whole process, it is a powerful machinery of the extracellular enzymes of this mycelia, which is fully ramified. I can see in the full bag. The full bag is covered by mycelia, and I see absolutely numerous small tiny fruit bodies here, indicating is the highly fertile strain, and which may be giving a very good yield and excellent bioconversion, so that we can see here the biotechnology in action in terms of this whole ramification throughout the bag, yielding a large number of fruit bodies. So this is the way to understand the whole biology of button mushrooms in a modest mycology laboratory in Goa University in the Department of Botany. This type of the demonstration is being done, and even the biology is being studied for the first time, because generally the mushroom growers are reluctant to give the bags to sort of experiment, or because they are proprietary items for marketing. But I thank Dr. Kurade for his generosity and also full support which he has given for our scientific collaborations. For last 10-12 years he has been associated with Goa University Fungus Culture Collection and Research Unit and the Mycology Laboratory in a big way. And I'm recording this for the simple purpose that we will be able to transmit what is the idea behind growing this mushroom from agro waste. Because India is a country where a lot of agro waste, is available, millions and millions of tons. But how much of it is converted into edible fungal protein is a big question mark. So Dr. Kurade has shown the way how to add value to this agro waste. And in our mushroom biotechnology paper also, the message that we want to transmit to the students is, please understand the potential and future of mushroom biotechnology, because for food security of this big country teeming with population, because tomorrow, day after tomorrow is a, very well that it is a world population day. India is a country with almost 1,250 million people. Now if the monsoon has failed, then there are so many mouths out there to be fed. And what type of protein rich food is available? Cereals are expensive, eggs are expensive, milk is expensive. So it is possible for a country like India, if you just see these beautiful mushrooms here. These have the formula for the nutritional security, health, and they are organically produced and nothing goes to waste. Afterwards, the spent compost can be used in horticulture, gardening, landscaping and all this. It is an excellent soil conditioner also. It can also be used for vermicomposting. So, what it means is that we have here a complete, model of sustainable development and appropriate biotechnology, which can really means in a big way if we propagate. Then it can generate a lot of employment also and wealth for the state and the country as well. So that's the whole purpose of getting the bag all the way from Bhatpal, from 100 kilometers almost, and delivering it to Goa University, for the simple reason that there is knowledge in this bag and in this whole mechanism of bioconversion of the agro waste into rich, value-added, edible, fungal protein.